Robots are tested for strength and balance.
Social behavior is carefully trained.
Love. Robots help train.
This factory builds advanced human-like robots.
Every robot starts with raw industrial materials.
Robots weld robot bodies with extreme accuracy.
A strong internal skeleton gives robots human shape.
High-torque motors power every motion.
Actuators convert power into precise movement. The robot's brain is built on advanced circuit boards. Artificial intelligence gives robots decision-making ability. Sensors help robots see, hear, and feel.
Thousands of connections link the entire system.
Soft, synthetic skin makes robots look human.
Human-like skin is carefully applied.
Facial motors allow emotions and expressions.
Software brings the robot to life. Each movement is carefully calibrated. Robots are tested for heat resistance and durability.
The human robot is ready.
Only flawless robots pass inspection. Robots are given a human-like voice system. Each robot is tested for accurate hearing. Advanced vision systems detect motion and depth.
AI learns emotional responses.
Perfect balance is tested here.
Robots are trained to interact safely with humans.
Endurance tests ensure long working life.
Robots are tested in freezing temperatures. Safety systems are tested for instant shutdown.
The robot's personality is installed.
Final appearance is carefully reviewed.
Robots are prepared for safe delivery.
Human robots are shipped worldwide.
Robots begin their real-world jobs.
This is only the beginning.
Finger precision is tested for delicate tasks.
Grip force is adjusted for safety.
Robots learn to recognize human faces.
Eye movements are synchronized with human behavior.
Neck joints allow natural head movement.
Speech clarity is tested for communication.
Approved robots are ready to ship.
Customers experience robots before delivery.
This is the future of humanity.
AI decision-making is tested under pressure.
Robot software is pushed to extreme limits.
Robots are tested for long-term memory. Robots can understand multiple languages.
Robots operate perfectly even at night.
Robots can check their own health.
Even the smallest errors are detected.
Final updates are installed.
Each robot receives final approval.
Every robot gets a unique identity.
Robots meet global safety standards.
Special packaging protects robots during travel. Robots begin their global journey. Robots are deployed worldwide. The robot starts its new life. Robots perform real human tasks.
Customer feedback improves future robots.
The next generation is already coming. This is how human robots are made.
Every human robot starts with a strong metal skeleton. Advanced AI becomes the robot's brain.
Every movement is carefully tested.
Artificial skin gives robots a human appearance.
The human robot is ready for the world.